Magandang araw mga ka-cubers. Isolve natin tong pattern na to sa loob ng 11 moves. Ang una nating pattern mga ka-cubers ay right up or right. Second step, upper. Third step, right down or R prime. Fourth step, upper or U prime. Fifth step, right down. Sixth step, front. Seventh step, right up, dalawa. Then, eighth step, upper or U. Then, ninth step, right down. Then, 10th step, R prime. Then, 11th step, front prime. Yon, mga ka-cubers.